Hi, thanks for taking a look at Gibraltar. I think you're really going to like it. I'm Jason Cotta, one of the co-founders, and I've created this video to help you quickly get started. I'm going to assume you already have a copy of Gibraltar installed. If not, go to gibraltarsoftware.com and download a free trial. This is the first of several Getting Started videos for new Gibraltar users. You can find the full list of our Getting Started videos under gibraltarsoftware.com/try. In this first part, I'll give you a quick overview of what Gibraltar is and how it works. Gibraltar consists of three parts: the agent, the hub, and the analyst. Let's talk a little bit about each one. Gibraltar Agent is the data recorder that integrates with your .NET application to safely and efficiently collect events, metrics, and configuration details that help you monitor and support your software. Agent also transmits the collected data to you via email or the Gibraltar Hub web service. The files associated with Gibraltar Agent are located in the SDK/Redist subfolder of your Gibraltar installation. For details on each of these files, please refer to the deployment page of our developer's guide. If you're using Gibraltar with PostSharp, Log4net, or Nlog, there are additional files you may need in the SDK subfolder and documented in the third-party integration section of our help. Let me add that our documentation is fully integrated with Visual Studio Help. You get great IntelliSense, and pressing F1 while your cursor is over any Gibraltar class or method will jump you directly to the reference documentation. We're big fans of IntelliSense and consider high-quality documentation to be an integral part of Gibraltar. And by the way, our blog at rocksolid.gibraltarsoftware.com is another great source of information. Coming back to the three parts of Gibraltar, the hub is optional, so I'm going to skip over that for just a minute and first tell you about the Analyst. Gibraltar Analyst is the desktop application you use to manage and analyze Gibraltar logs. The key thing about Analyst is that it goes wide and deep. It includes tools to analyze patterns across thousands of logs, as well as the ability to drill down into the details of an individual session to quickly find the root cause of a bug, even when the session includes 1 million events. Analyst is very developer-friendly. For instance, check out how we streamline your debugging workflow. After adding Gibraltar Agent to your app, you'll see logs automatically appear in the local sessions folder each time you run. Now think about how many times you cycle through edit, compile, run. You don't want those logs mixed up with logs from your customers, right? So we keep all your local debugging logs separate so that they're easy to get to, but don't clutter up your user repository of logs from other computers. If you've configured Agent to send you logs via email, they'll show up in your inbox as GLP files. GLP stands for Gibraltar Log Package, and each package can contain multiple sessions. You can double-click a GLP to open it, or drag and drop it into Analyst. From there, you can use Analyst to quickly triage what's going on. The thing to understand about package files is that Analyst lets you peek inside them without necessarily adding the logs to your repository. To demonstrate, I'll make a special folder for logs from my imaginary friend John Smith. Once we add sessions to the user repository, you'll notice that they automatically show up in multiple folders, just like search folders in Outlook. And, like Outlook, Gibraltar is smart enough to make multiple references to the sessions. The data is not duplicated. Okay, let's jump back to our architecture diagram and see how Hub fits in. Gibraltar Hub is the optional third part of our end-to-end logging solution. The Hub allows agents to stream logs to it via HTTP and SMTP. The logs are cached on Hub to be retrieved later by any number of dev team members running Gibraltar Analyst. Sessions are automatically and effortlessly added to the user repository, bypassing that Outlook import step I just demonstrated. Thousands of incoming sessions can be automatically imported and indexed with no manual effort. Having this wealth of data available without lifting a finger makes proactive customer support and customer experience improvement programs compelling and practical. You can learn more about Hub in our documentation or on our blog. but the best way to experience it is to try it for yourself. Customers have told us that after trying Hub, they simply can't imagine Gibraltar without it. To summarize, Gibraltar Agent runs in process within your application, safely and efficiently collecting system events, metrics, and configuration data. The agent stores logs locally with automatic pruning that keeps storage requirements bounded. Agent also packages and transmits logs automatically or on demand via email or HTTP requests. Gibraltar Hub is a firewall-friendly web service. It uses a restartable streaming protocol to efficiently, reliably, and securely transfer logs. Logs are cached and forwarded to any number of analysts so that every member of your team can have a complete, consistent view of customer logs. And finally, Gibraltar Analyst is the desktop application used to manage and analyze Gibraltar logs. It provides a rich set of charts, graphs, reports, and grids with clever filtering and grouping tools so that you can see the big picture and drill down to the nitty-gritty details so that you can monitor usage patterns, identify bottlenecks, and pinpoint the root causes of bugs in your software. So, we've come to the end of this overview video. Thanks for watching. We've only scratched the surface, but hopefully this has given you a little clearer idea of what Gibraltar is and how it works. We have a couple more videos in the Getting Started series, but feel free to just jump in and start playing with Gibraltar. And if questions come up, please email us at support@gibraltarsoftware.com or start a live chat on our website. We're here for you, and we just love talking about this stuff. Have a great day. Thanks.